Hello friends, welcome to the Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have learnt about the theory of HTML, features of HTML and sample code of HTML. Now, the sample code we have seen of HTML where we actually write that code to get the data displayed on browser. So there are different editors which supports the HTML code. So what is text editor? Text editor are program which allow editing in written text. Hence, to create a web page, we need to write our code in some text editor. HTML is a text file. So to create an HTML, we can use any text editors. In our tutorial, we will use Notepad and Sublime text editor. Following us some easy ways to create our first web page with Notepad and Sublime text. First, I will show you one HTML code written in Notepad. After that, we will be mostly using Sublime text as our editor. So let's write our first code of HTML in Notepad. So let's get started. So first tag we need to write is of doc type. So doc type, it will be of HTML. The first tag will be of HTML. So what does this tag specify? It informs the browser that it is an HTML document. We will close that tag. HTML. Now in HTML, the first tag we need to write in HTML is the head one. So head, we will close this. In head tag, we will give the title. So title signifies the title of your page. So I will be giving title as Code Crush. We will be closing this title tag. Now comes the body tag. Close this body tag before HTML tag. In body, we will specify some elements like the heading one, which we have seen in the demo. H1, my heading. H1. So this will be displayed on our browser. This is the content of H1 tag. Let's give another tag. This signifies the paragraph tag. Hi all, this is my first HTML demo. We will be closing this paragraph tag. Okay, we will save this file. Demo.html. So extension can be used as HTML or .htm. We will save this file. We will run this file. So this is our title which we have written in our code crush. So this is the heading tag which we have provided, and this is the paragraph which we have provided in our code. So this data is displayed on the browser. So this was our demo for the HTML code on Notepad. But in Notepad, the drawback is that we need to take care of all closing tags and need to take care of all the syntax or spellings of HTML tags, while in other browsers like Sublime it will take care of. So we will see the code also in Sublime text. We will write the same HTML code in Sublime text editor. If you don't have Sublime text editor, you can simply go on net and download and install the editor. So just type Sublime text, and you can click on download and install the Sublime text editor. I already have the installed version of Sublime text, so I will be opening that. So this is how Sublime text editor looks like. So in this editor we will write the HTML code. We will be creating a new file. We will be save this file as demo1.html. Save. The first tag we write is of doc type. Doc type HTML. Now comes the HTML tag. So the advantage of Sublime text editor is that we will get the populated all the attributes here. In Notepad we need to take care of all these tags to be written manually. So we will select the HTML tag and see all the basic and the demo document which we have seen in the PPT. All the tags are getting populated in our file now. So we will remove this one which we have manually written. So this is like a blueprint of our HTML file. We will be writing our content here. So we can give title. So as in the previous video we have given the title. So here we will give different title. Code. And so the h1 tag is also populated, and here we can give heading, another tag, paragraph. Hi all, welcome to HTML learning. Now we will save this, right click, open in browser. So see, here we can see the title of our HTML page, here is the heading tag, and here is the paragraph one. So that's it for this video. We will be covering another topics in the upcoming videos.